Hello everyone, my name is Megan Martin, and I am an instructional technologist in the Office of Digital Learning at Fitchburg State University. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show students how to get started using Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a virtual discussion platform that allows you and other students in your class to communicate through video. The instructor provides a prompt, which can be text-based or video-based, and then students will respond to that prompt with quick video recordings. Students and instructors can also continue the thread by commenting on posts with either a new video recording or text-based comments. To begin, your instructor will provide you with either a join code or a direct link to the Flipgrid assignment. If you are given a join code, you're going to want to navigate to flipgrid.com and then enter the join code in this field box here. If your instructor provides you with a direct link, it will load a page that looks like this, and you will be able to join the grid using your Google Fitchburg State University email address. Once you are logged in, you will be brought to the assignment page. Here we can see the assignment title on the left, with any instructions provided by your teacher shown below. And on the right side of the screen, there will be any media attached by your instructor. This could be a picture, a video, or a GIF. Scrolling down, we will see if any other students in the class have already uploaded their videos. Here we can see there are 3 different video uploads, and one of them has additional feedback provided. When you are ready to record your response, you can do so by clicking on one of the 3 links on the page. Up in the top right corner, over on the left, or the giant red record button shown here. They all bring you to the same Flipgrid camera. Before we begin recording our video, let's take a look at some of the options and effects that we have available to us. The first thing I want to point out is up in the top right corner, we have 2 small black and white icons. The first one is really important. Here we can click to show the topic and get a reminder about any of the instructions related to the assignment. Click on the icon again to hide the topic. Next, we have some sticky notes available to us. If we click on this icon, we can create notes for ourselves to remind us of what we want to include in our video. We can also drag the sticky note anywhere on the page according to our preferences. You can add as many sticky notes as you need to be successful. For the options, we have the toolbar on the bottom, and we have a variety of choices here. First, we can select Upload Clip, and in here, you can actually upload a video file that you may have pre-recorded on maybe your phone or any other device. The next option is to mirror our video. This can be a helpful feature if we're presenting and we're going to be pointing to things on the screen and we want our hands to mirror what we would see. Our next option is to mute the audio for the video recording, which would turn off all audio for your entire video presentation. And lastly, a really helpful feature is to record our screen. And in doing so, other students will be able to see what we're doing on our device. Next, let's take a look at some of the fun effects that are available for our video recordings. First, we can add a filter. We can make our video recording brighter, black and white, or we can use softer tones. Another nice feature is that we're able to pixelate our video. This can be a helpful feature for those of us who are new to video recordings and might be a little nervous or uncomfortable with showing ourselves on camera. I'm going to go with a bright rainbow filter for now. Next, there are some fun frame choices that we can layer on top of our video. And we can also include emoji stickers on top of our video recording. We have the traditional smileys and emojis. We also have some people stickers, accessories, and when we select an icon, we can resize it and move it around so it better fits on our video. There are also some other stickers in the emoji field, such as reactions, which include math symbols, and some onomatopoeia sound effects, and even some magical elements, as well as American Sign Language. So a lot of different choices here. Next, we can add text layers to our video. We have some different theme options that we can select from, and these are completely customizable as well. So if I select the party text choice, I can type in here, and I can also change out the background color, font color, and text choice. So you can completely customize this. And again, we are able to move that around, and we can also resize it and tilt it if we'd like. Next, if we click on the Draw tool, we can select a color and a thickness for our digital stylus, and we can draw right on top of the video. The next tool is the Board tool, and this is going to create a background that we can then draw on top of or add text on top of, and we have some nice choices here such as a dot grid, grid paper, line paper. We can use a whiteboard, a blackboard, and some other fun choices as well. And you'll notice I'm able to split my screen, and I can even determine how much of my screen is going to be dedicated to me versus the board. So a lot of customization options here. We can also choose a text to add on top of our board. And again, we can move that around. We can resize it to fit. And we can go back and add things underneath it as well. The last option we have in Effects is the photo option, and this will allow you to upload a photo from your device and embed it as a custom sticker. So it will act just like an emoji sticker where it will layer over the video feed. When you are ready, select the red record button, and you will notice a countdown timer will appear for you. During your recording, you can pause the recording at any time to gather your thoughts or to change the effects. So I'm going to pause my recording, and maybe at this point in my video I want to add another effect. Maybe I'm going to add a new text box. And again, I can resize that and move it around as much as I need to. And then I can press the red record button to resume recording. Additionally, I can press the back red redo button to completely start over. And when I'm satisfied with my recording, I'll be able to press the green next arrow to advance to the next step. From this screen, we can add more to our video by recording additional video feed, or we can trim our recording by clicking and dragging the blue indicator bars at the beginning and end of our video. This will cut out any of the extra film at the beginning and end, leaving only what's inside the blue bars in your final product. When you're ready, select Confirm in the bottom right corner, and it's always a best practice to watch your recording one more time to make sure you're happy with it. Again, when you're ready, click Next to advance. Next, you will be taken to a screen that will have included a thumbnail for your video. You can also opt to take a selfie to make a better picture for what students will see on the grid. I can take out any of the effects that I layered, and I can also change them from here as well. So I'll take a quick selfie, confirm, and then I'm going to double check that my display name is accurate. I can include my last name if I need to, and optionally I can include a link to an external site, or I can create a title for my video if I need to. When I'm totally ready, I'm going to click the blue Submit button in the bottom right corner. Select Complete, and now you will see that your video response is displayed in the assignment grid here. Other students will now be able to see your post, and after watching it, they can add a comment or a video response. The dialog box will show the number of responses to your video, so you'll know if you have anything to review. To look at your feedback, click on your video and simply scroll down to see if there are any comments or video responses. Additionally, you can also reply to other posts following this same format by clicking on the red icon to record a comment or by clicking in this field entry box to add a text comment to somebody else's video. I hope this video tutorial will help you get started using Flipgrid in your classes. There are a lot of fun features on Flipgrid, but it's also a great way to build community and collaborate remotely. When you have a Flipgrid assignment, practice your communication skills. Come prepared with what you'd like to say. Look into the camera when you're speaking. Speak loudly and clearly enough so your voice is heard. Body language is also important, so remember to sit up straight and look confident. If you have any additional questions or need further support with Flipgrid, please reach out to the Office of Digital Learning at Fitchburg State University.